2.2008 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment: 4-speed automatic, 8-sill, anti-theft device S, child safety locks, multi-function steering wheel, airbag deactivation, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, side impact door beams, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, EBD electronic brake disc, auto express down window, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, intermittent wipers, anti-lock braking system, anti-lock brake system, tow hooks, beverage holder S, painted bumpers, rear window defroster, reading light S, power outlet S, outside temperature gauge, door pocket S, trailer towing hitch, power driver's seat, 4-wheel drive, power steering, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, cruise control, compass, bed liner,